Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I'm come up with a very easy, everybody knows it, but still I wanted to get it on my YouTube cooking channel, and that is popcorn. So popcorns is like every weekend's movie time. We do it at home only when we are watching movie. So I thought let me also bring out to my YouTube cooking channel. So you need around 1 cup or whatever quantity you want. Now I'm going to make out of this is going to become lots after it's get this on the gas. So we need this, that is popcorn kernels, which is easily available on Amazon, or you can buy it in supermarket. Then around 2 tablespoon big of oil. Now I'm going to make it like salt, butter and cheesy. So you can only do salt and butter. You can do cheese and cheese also. So whatever, but I'm doing it today. I'm going to add this cheese also. Now this cheese I had kept it in deep freezer, and then when it became hard I grated it. So this will be like on top of garnishing. I will show you the procedure. Then I have taken few leaves of curry, few leaves of pudina, that is mint leaves. I have chopped them, and few of coriander leaves. I have chopped it. This is optional. You don't have to add if you don't like this flavor, but it gives you a nice minty flavor. Lime juice, I will be adding very little of this lime juice. Salt and butter is like it's like around 10 grams, you can say. So it's like this big tablespoon of this, or 2 cubes what you get in cubes. So let's start to do our popcorns. Now you can take a pressure cooker, like mostly you can do it in a cooker also, and removing your whistle and the gasket, but I am using this. So let's start. Add the oil first. Oil and butter will add. Now some people like chili, so you can add chili flakes also. Whichever flavor. I've seen so many people doing in Coke, and I don't know what flavor your child like, you can do that. Let the butter get melt. And we'll add salt to this. Salt again as per your taste. Butter is also having salt. We'll add this also, our mint leaves and coriander leaves. And now we'll add our popcorn kernels in this, and let it get till it pops up. High flame. You can keep it low flame also. So once this starts popping out, that time we'll have to close with a lid. So now I can hear the sound. So I will close this and leave it. So now it started. So you can hear the sound. Here, you can see. Every popcorn is getting this burst out like. So now at this time we will add our cheese. Now this is again an optional. So we'll add our cheese on this top. So here it is ready to serve, and you can squeeze lime juice if you want, and it's fully ready popcorn, homemade popcorn for your weekends. Very crispy. Everything is perfect. The salt. Now if you want to squeeze this, you can squeeze this for the tanginess. Okay. Very little, but just a few drops. Hope you will all enjoy this homemade popcorns. You can do your style. This is my style. Thank you so much.